Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these glam sparkly waves, as you might have seen on my Insta already. So the first and the most important step, just for any other look actually, is the prep. So I'm going to put in some waves using heat protection from IGK. I'm going to link everything below, by the way, and this GHD Platinum Plus styler. So the actual technique is twisting the tool away from the face and simply pushing down. This will create a nice and natural wave that you will later need to brush out, of course. But yeah, watch how I'm doing the technique. And it's really easy and simple. It might take a little practice to begin with, but honestly, it's very easy, and that's my go-to technique, I would say, when creating loose waves and curls. Here's the top tip as well. To create this natural leave-in texture, always comb out or brush out your waves. Next step, separate the front using a couple of clips and pop the headband in place. And now this is the part where real magic of the look happens. So I'm using these three simple things: hair gel, tweezers, and gems as well, which I will link below again in description. And yeah, combination of these three things will add a real glam statement. It's honestly as easy as that. Final touches, and here we are. Hair tip for my fine hair girls here. So if you're lacking volume on the crown like me, here's a little tip to step up your game. And here it is, the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and let me know what you think of the look in comments, and of course suggestions for the future stuff. Mwah.